Hi there, students. To retreat. A retreat. So an army can advance, they go forward, but then they start to get into trouble and they have to retreat, they have to go backwards. You retreat from a situation. So the army was forced to retreat. You can also use this meaning to step backwards. The man came towards me and started shouting, and I retreated behind my desk. So to retreat, to go backwards, to escape from danger or escape from something that is a problem. Yeah, so to effectively to go back, to retreat, to go to a safe place, to avoid a difficult situation. When my parents are shouting at each other, I retreat to my bedroom. Yeah, because it's safe to sit there. Okay, so you could decide not to do something or stop believing something. So because it's causing problems. So the government made many promises, but they're now retreating from all of the promises that they've made. Or, for example, the prices have been going up and up and up, but then the prices retreated. They went down again. Okay, so a price goes up and up and then it retreats, particularly in the stock exchange. The share price had been increasing for a couple of months, but then it started retreating again. So a retreat is a move backwards, the retreat from Dunkirk. Okay, the enemy are now retreating. Then you have a retreat, a private and safe place. So I have a country retreat where when the life in the city gets too much or work is too stressful, I go and I spend some time there in solitude. A mountain retreat. Very often this is used in a religious context as well. The priest went on a retreat to a church in the countryside, a period of time to pray and study and think away from normal activities. Okay, a retreat, a change of behavior. The politician's speech showed a retreat from his extremist views. A retreat is when the price of something goes down. So the price of oil had reached a historic high, but over the last few days it has retreated. It's come back from. There has been a retreat from this high level. You back away from someone, you retreat from them because you don't want to be with them. You could beat a retreat. That's a nice little idiom. Is to leave a place, to abandon a situation. So when I went into the party, I saw my ex there, and I beat a hasty retreat and just left the place. Or when the rain started, everybody beat a retreat and ran indoors. Okay, so to beat a retreat, to get out of a situation, to leave a situation. Okay, so notice as well, to retreat, to treat something again. I treated this wood for beetle, but I'm going to have to retreat it, do it again. But that's just an aside. Okay, so to retreat, to withdraw from a position, to go back, yeah, to withdraw your military forces. The soldiers retreated. To go back, the temperatures retreated. A glacier retreated, it went back. Okay, so a retreat is the act of moving backwards, the act of withdrawing. to withdraw to a quiet place. So he retreated to his country retreat, to move backwards, to go somewhere in somewhere quiet, to relax, a quiet, secluded country retreat, a refuge, a haven. Okay, a bugle sounded the retreat. Yeah, it's time to go back. Or a retreat is where you change your mind, you change your plans because you've been criticized, because you've had difficulty, a climb down. So the Union retreated from their extreme position. Yeah, they made concessions, they went back. A retreat in the value of shares, a decline in the value of something. Okay, so retreat, to withdraw, the process of receding, going back from a position, the withdrawal of troops, a safe private refuge, a retreat, a place for a priest to meditate and study, a retreat. Okay, so retreat. Formality. I'm going to give this word a 5 in formality. I think you can use it absolutely anywhere. And then as to origin, comes from retractus, from retraho, to drag back. Traho, to drag. So retraho, to retract, to pull back, to draw back. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Retreat.